Campfire Television. Sponsored by, once again,
Mike's Hard Lemonade.
Mikey.
Shout outs to the Detroit area.
Good out for the lemonade. Good looking out for the lemonade.
Bringing our Mike's Hard Lemonade today. Appreciate it.
So yeah.
Man,
What you got for
definitely like to thank out our sponsors, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
Can't forget them. Alright.
So what do you got for him, Decent?
Today we gotta talk about Patrick Swayze.
Yo, rest in peace to Patrick Swayze out there, you know.
We lost Patrick Swayze, the world lost Patrick Swayze.
Yeah, I used, you know what I'm saying, I watched Roadhouse, Dirty Dancing.
Roadhouse, one of the best movies.
Yeah. What was that episode? Didn't he have like a TV episode that he was doing a little while ago? Right?
Yeah. I think it's called The Beast.
Yeah, The Beast.
Yeah.
I think that's when they started noticing that something was wrong with him.
Right before that.
Pancreatic cancer.
Pancreatic cancer.
It's crazy. Cancer kills.
Yeah.
All types of cancer.
Sorry for that.
Get yourself checked out there.
Yeah. Cancer eats you away.
Yeah, 57, man. That guy was still young.
57. Seems like everybody's dying at 50.
Right.
7, 50s.
All the 50s.
Yeah.
Big.
Strange. Yo. I'm gonna shove down a tennis ball down your throat.
Don't make me break my racket, man.
Shove my tennis ball down your throat.
Yo, Serena Williams.
What's going on? Why you flipping out?
Hey, I think Common needed to give her a hug before that game started or something.
Yo, maybe it was too hot.
She kirked out. She literally kirked out.
I apologize, kids.
I think she was
not a
just
good thing to do. You know, weather was pretty hot, and I apologize.
Yeah, I think she got.
Well, she didn't even say apologize. She didn't even apologize.
Yeah, she didn't really apologize.
I take that back. She didn't apologize.
But she did kirk out. I've never seen her act like that. You know.
Yeah.
A little while ago, they were talking about if
maybe her racket was
if the rich and famous should be, you know, they said rich and famous should they act a certain way because some
role models.
Some are considered role models.
And basically, they are.
What do you think?
They are role models.
Why? Only because they're rich and famous?
No, because they're on TV all the time and kids look up to them. So when they see somebody acting like that, you know, well,
it's okay, but everybody.
Kids are gonna be like, well, how come she acts like that, Daddy? They can act like that too.
I believe everybody's competitive in their own way, you know.
I mean, competitive's got nothing to do with it, really.
Yeah, and sometimes the game might get the best of you. You know, sometimes you lose and you get frustrated.
Right, I mean, she's just human.
Yeah,
pretty much. But I mean, you know.
But she really did kirk out on that lady. I think she was.
Shut down my tennis ball down your throat.
Yeah, you're so lucky. I swear to God.
I can kill you.
I just swear to God, I'm just gonna swear to God.
Shove the tennis ball down. You're lucky I don't shove the tennis ball down your throat.
Somebody needed the chill pill there. That was crazy.
I don't want to shove the tennis ball down your throat. Calm down. Not that serious.
That's wild.
Yo. So, hey, man, I like to give out a shout out. Do shout outs, man.
Shout outs to Campfire Television.
Shout outs to Campfire Television. Yo, shout outs to my boy Ant in Detroit. Yo, I ain't forget you, Ant. You know what I'm saying? We did an episode now. Shout out to you, man, Ant. And let's go to some emails.
What do we got?
Let's go to some emails.
I got one here. Random ass chick 69. This is a hilarious girl right here. She says her friend's mom that was 50. I don't know if y'all remember. I think it was episode 1 or 2. And we had took some emails and comments. And
I think it was episode 2.
Episode 2 or 1. If you ain't ever checked that one out, make sure you go back and check it out. Okay?
Yeah.
But she said that her friend's mom or something that was 50, you know, she had made a comment that she wanted to get back into the stripping game. And what did we think?
You told her it was okay.
Yeah.
Hey, young.
It's okay, you can still be 50 and be a stripper.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with that.
No problem with that. As long as you got the goodies to shake it, then hey.
Make sure you cut some weight.
Yeah, make sure you cut some weight.
Yeah.
Definitely, but she says she's gone back into stripping for some extra dollars for the holidays coming up.
Yeah.
She says she wants to make sure she has some extra cash for Black Friday.
See, so that worked out for her.
Stripping for extra cash for the holidays and for Black Friday.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Why can't you just do overtime at work, babe?
We're welcome to do it.
You Does that make any sense to
She's
people?
gonna make that. She's gonna make the money faster in stripping than overtime.
By shaking her booty.
Yeah.
She wants to shake her booty for Black Friday.
There's nothing wrong with booty shaking.
Nothing wrong.
Actually, we welcome booty shaking here at the campfire.
Yeah, any booty shakers want to come over here and shake their butt on Campfire Television?
Yeah.
No problem.
We'll have some voting going on too.
Yeah, just get at us. Campfire Television at yahoo.com.
Alright, I got another email.
Yeah, what you got?
This email is from Ant. Ant wants to tell Nicole, if Nicole is listening out there, you know, boy Ant is in love with you. So, you know, we did an episode not too long ago, on late night. You know, one we said we were gonna mend hearts, you know, we're back together. This is one of our emails. You know, that, you know, we'll help him my boy Ant. And he wants to give a shout out to Claymont, Delaware. So shout outs to them.
Shout out.
Claymont, Delaware. Yo, Campfire.
Campfire here's you, man.
Yo,
we're here.
You never know. We might take Campfire to Claymont, Delaware, man.
On the road again.
Yeah,
check us out.
Yeah, gotta stay tuned to that one.
You need to check out the new episodes of Campfire. We're reviving the whole show in a whole new way.
Yeah.
We might take it out to the public. You know.
We already did.
You just don't know what we got for you. Just stay tuned. Every episode might be different.
Yeah.
Might take it out on the road. You know. Might do another one in the car. Might do one with a bum or two.
Yeah.
You know. Stamp them with Campfire Television on the forehead.
Yeah, see what their opinion is about, you know.
Yeah.
See what they say, what they have to say, you know what I mean?
The public was
what's their concerns about today's society, you know, how we living now.
Right. Instead of waiting for emails and comments, you know, we're just gonna take it directly to the public and bring Campfire to them.
Yeah. And you know, we always like to thank our, you know, our favorite fans, you know. Lady Louder,
Jesse,
York, and why?
Cabby,
with the Sharks.
Random Ass Chick 69.
Yeah. Shout outs to them.
Hood Bridge, Cry Me a River, you know.
Yeah, Cry Me an Ocean.
Yeah, definitely.
Cry Me a Bottle.
But we're gonna keep it sweet and short.
Yeah.
Let y'all know, Campfire Television.
It's on.
Shout outs to Patrick Swayze once again, you know.
Yeah. Brought us a lot of good movies.
And his family out there, my condolences.
Our condolences from here from Campfire.
And it is what it is, man.
Yeah. Life is short, man, you know.
So live it up.
Yeah.
Do it big.
Stay happy. Smile.
Stay tuned for Campfire.
Yeah.
That's what we do.
We done?
Yes, sir.
Our time is up.
Correct. Over and out.
Decent. Over and out. Time for the airport.